Okay, dear students, good afternoon. Today I'm discussing environment. It's the most important thing for business in all respect. It is the totality of forces and entities that are external and potentially relevant to the particular agent. In this connection, Blake and Lawrence says environment includes factors outside the firm which can lead opportunities for or threats to the firm. Same way, another gentleman author says environment is the sum of living and non-living components, influences, and events surrounding an organization. Actually, all these things are the traditional in manner what they are saying. Actually, environment is concerned and connected to within the organization and outside the organization. Not simply outside the organization is environment. Oh no. Nowadays, organizational nature is not small in size, very bigger in size. Giant organizations are there. So many intellectuals, performance, activities are there. At the same time, technical, non-technical, multi-varied employees, workers are staying in the organization. And at the same time, they are using multi-varied technology, German technology, Chinese technology, Korean technology, Indian technology. So each and every technology is also having a separate character. And external environment, yes, is very much concerned and comprised with multi-varied, multi-thousands issues, say for political, economical, social, regional, sub-regional, country to country trade agreement act, pact, treaties, multiple things are there. And these are also part of environment. Also physical environment is also questioned. Say for the natural havoc, calamities, riverine, coastal area, political issues. These things are very much connected to the business or manufacturing organizations of firms. Traditionally, this is said the environment is concerned and connected to the external issues. But from my viewpoint, it's not so. In this connection, Robinson and Kotler says, Robinson and Coulter says the term environment refers to institutional forces that are outside to organization and potentially affect the organization's performance. Bardol and Martin says an organization's environment is an objective reality, a set of concrete conditions, and theoretically could be measured perfectly to give measures complete information. And we have to discuss now about the business environment. Business environment means all the internal and external factors that affect how the company functions, including employees, customers, management, supply and demand, and business regulations. Another, Stadicom. Business environment is the sum total of all external and internal factors that influence the business. So environment is a very important thing. If environment is not positive, then no business organization can do sustain and continuous existence or development as a whole. Now the business world is very much competitive in nature. Tremendous competition prevailing. And to face this competition or to sustain in this hard competition, environmental issues and facts are very meaningful. If environment is positive, then the business can very smoothly function, can operate its all activities as a whole. Environment is some influencing factors on business, that is internal and external. I told it earlier. Environment within the organization, outside the organization. Some influential factors are there for their internal environment. Say for the owner, shareholder, board of directors, labor organizations, workers, culture of the organization, prevailing financial and non-financial facilities of the organization, financial condition of the organization. So, Malik, if the owners are sound enough, they're very much positive, skilled and efficient and having long experience as a business line, they can develop a certain and positive environment within the organizational framework. Shareholders, the shareholders are not regularly participating in the managerial decision making or application procedure, but in the AGM, the annual general meeting, they can very positively respond their opinion and ask or the query the different affairs for the further development or the relevant affairs of the performance of the organization as a whole. Then board of directors, if board of directors are efficient and sound enough and having the long experience, expertise and knowledge in the concerned business, then they can pay the right guidance and follow up the overall performance of the both financial and non-financial reports and the status of the organization. Employees are the very potential issues. Nowadays, technological development has been developing to a great extent. So instead of using the huge number of workers and employees, rather better to use the sophisticated tools, machines, automations, and skilled and highly skilled workforce. Instead of using 5 to 10 workers, rather if the certain skilled workforce can perform or operate machinery and equipment, that should be the best thing. So this will be easy to manageable, and a span of supervision under the controllable management. Labor union, trade union, I just like to go to the matters. Trade union is a very harmful reason of these third world countries like Bangladesh. Now Bangladesh is a developing country. There are countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, all these countries always face tremendous problem regarding the trade union. Trade union leaders are just everybody like the very prominent male leaders, left leaders. They are in a state of developing and contributing to the development of the work, the factory. They are just to hamper the manufacturing system or the development system. They are not interested to concentrate their sentiment, feelings and activities for the welfare and development of the organization, rather just to create havoc. That is the thing. Then uh, existing facilities, if existing facilities are very and very sound in nature, all sorts of facilities, not only the payment structure of the workers and employees, also the floor premise, power and energy, quality automation, equipments, accessories, raw material procurement system, health and hygiene matter. If these things are very fine and positive in nature, then it would be charming, and the workers and employees will be very much inclined and interested to work such type of organization. I have a physical infrastructure of the physical and otherwise facilities are very much interesting for the workforce. Then and some other the external forces here to say. Number one, that is the elements of the task environment where the organization working. That is to be taken under consideration. Supplier. If the suppliers are regular in nature, they are supplying the right quality raw materials, right quality products, right quality automation technology, then fine. At the same time, the customers are the very important factor, though they are very prominent element for the organization. If customers are working in the right way, if the customers are coming to the market with the right demand and they are not hampering or with the attitude non-cooperation, this cooperative, then that is positive for the business organization. Computer is a very important thing. I am manufacturing a certain product and I am sending it to the market to sell it out for the customer satisfaction. Our customers are very much interested to purchase my product. I am supplying my goods and services as per their taste and necessary requirement to fulfill their requirement or necessity. In that case, if computers are providing better quality product at dumping rate, then that will be very much harmful for my organization and it will be tough enough to sustain in the market. So the challenging attitude, financial and technological or marketing strength of the computer must be taken under consideration. Then the middleman, role and activities of the middleman is also a very important thing. And then the government agencies for tax, VAT, law and order enforcing agencies and units, whether these are the cooperative for the business organizations, and that is positive. Say for bribe, muscle, hooligans, if these are very much practicing in the country, then the businessman can't do smoothly their business. Then creditors. If the tendency of the buyers just asking for the excessive credit facilities, then that will be very much problematic. In that point, business organization would have to suffer a lot. And the general environment. General environment influences the business organizations, say for the physical factor, economic factor, technological factor, socio-cultural factor, political factor, legal factor, international factor. Physical factor, yes, where the business organization is located. There is a question, if physical factor is not positive and supportive, then in the condition of the physical factor, yes, communication system is dull. That is, the total area is under the water throughout the year. no power facilities or housing facilities are there available, then it would be tough enough from the side of the business persons to maintain these business activities, because he can't procure raw materials easily, at the same time can
Sure.
send his manufactured items to the market. Then economic condition of a country, or not only within the country but outside the country, both is very much important. If the economic condition of the country is dull, then the business organizations can easily collect his finance and fund. If they sell out their share in the market, obviously that share price will not be uprising, it will be declining trend. So in that point, it will be tough enough from the side of the business organization to arrange necessary fund. At the same time, the buyer's point of view, if the buyer is staying outside and their financial condition is dull, then the buyer will be not interested or inclined to purchase the product what I am exporting and sending to that country. Then socio-cultural environment. This is a very important thing. Socio-cultural environment, if it's positive and economically sustainable and backed by the economy, then that buyer of that country can be interested to purchase a manufactured item use. Then the political environment is a very important thing. In political environment, if nice, fine, then the customers will be inclined, and the manufacturers, customers, workers, in all respect, this will be very much important thing. If not fine, then the overall communication system, transportation system, financial system, manufacturing system, all will go collapse and in vain. Elements of the technological environment, technological development, it is a very important thing. If the business organizations nowadays are as much they are concerned and enjoying sophisticated technology, then they can manufacture best. They can manufacture the right quality of product at the right time with right technology and minimizing cost. Wastage management and control will be also done there. Then elements of the legal environment. It's within the country and country to country, and for the worldwide business connectivity and development, this legal environment is very important thing. If tough legal attitude some countries are holding, then that will be problematic from the side of the exporters countries. Say for the Bangladesh is facing tremendous problem to export the goods and services to India, because India imposing multiple taxes, India imposing multiple trade restrictions upon our country. And when we are exporting our goods to India, then they have to take permission from the provincial government and then to the central government. Like this way, twice and thrice we have to face problem. And then the these are the international environment. I discussed it, international environment. It's a very important thing. If international country-to-country relationship is fine, trading is fine, combination is fine, route is fine, then business is fine. If there is, hindrances, then that is quite problematic from the side of the exporter. Yes, import and export business both sides. What we need a very nice international environment, so that the countries like Bangladesh can export their manufactured item to the world market so easily. Okay, thank you very much, dear students. Yes, almost evening, and best of luck. Thank you very much.